Hello and welcome to another one of Tommy's silly vlogs. My mom's gonna kill me because she totally told me stop vlogging in the middle of the night and I have the hiccups right now, which will probably kill me for it too. Who knows? Anyway, I am off tomorrow. That's why I'm vlogging. Sorry if my hair looks silly. Worked tonight and it was slow, didn't make any money. But I work Saturday and Sunday, I'll make all my money then. Good gracious, these hiccups are driving me nuts. Trevor is already in bed on stuff, so other than that, I just watched TV all night after I got off and got the hiccups. So very nice talking to you. I'll talk to you soon.